disease called dropsy. If you have gone through this situation or you have started fish keeping, then you must go through this video till then, because this episode of Aqualife Expert will discuss symptoms, cure and prevention and more of this disease. Dropsy is a very common fish disease which pops up unexpectedly. Fish keepers often face this due to lack of knowledge. First, you have to know what is dropsy and how to identify that your fish is affected by it. So, first you will know the causes of dropsy in fish. It is such a disease that is the result of bacterial infection of dead fish. The name of this bacteria is Yaromonas. It is such a bacteria that can be found in every aquarium but only becomes active in suitable circumstances. Now, let's know what the meaning of suitable circumstances for this bacterial infection is. You must know that a pet fish will be affected by bacteria when it is stressed due to overcrowding and bad water quality. There are lots of beginners who don't know fish are like us, and they also need space to thrive, otherwise they become super stressed. However, if a fish's kidney doesn't work well, dropsy may also pop up. Due to poor kidney function, the fish's body accumulates water inside it, and for this, stomach of the fish swells. Now the second question is symptoms of dropsy in pet fish. One of the main signs of this disease is swelling of the abdomen of fish. Not only that, but clamping of the fins and pet fishes are also considered as symptoms. In this period of time, fish become too lethargic and hover at the bottom of the tank without swimming. They also lose their appetite. A major behavioral change occurs in pet fish at this time. Now, let's move to medication. But before jumping into it, you must know similar types of symptoms may also appear for other fish diseases. So, you must check the fish behavior minutely and then add medication to it. First, you have to isolate the sick fish into a bare bottom hospital tank. Remember, the temperature of the mother tank and hospital tank must be the same. Second, give that fish a solvent. For this, put 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt in every 3 gallons of water. Third, focus on quality food. Here, the quality food is referred to as antibacterial fish food. You can purchase this food from Amazon. After that, monitor your fish for 7 to 10 days. If you don't see any improvement, then you can treat aquarium water with Maracin 2. It is very effective against bacterial infection. You must know that dropsy is lethal to fish, and most of the small fish cannot survive dropsy. So you must focus on prevention rather than cure. Let's talk about the prevention of dropsy in fish. At the beginning of the video, I said that dropsy appears due to overstocking of fish and bad water quality, so you must avoid it. Actually, it builds stress on your fish, and stressed fish are exposed to pathogens easily. So try to learn how many fish should be kept in how many gallons of water. I hope you have learned something new, right?